Hello friends! Today we're going to study sets because it is a very important concept in math. First of all, we have to see what notation we are going to use for this subject. So let's see. First of all, we can represent a set with a verbal description. For instance, I can tell you the set of the first three positive whole numbers. I'm telling you that verbally. So that's it. The second one is the roster notation. For instance, and we are going to see that always a set is represented with capitals. Then A is a set that has 1, 2, and 3. Those are elements of the set represented with capital A. After that, we can represent sets with the set builder notation. For instance, we write capital equals curly brackets and we say x's such as x is one of the first three positive whole numbers. It is similar to the first way of notating sets. And after that, we have the Venn diagrams. For instance, we have the universal set and we are going to circle the elements of the set. For instance, 1, 2, and 3. If we have one set, well, we use only one circle. But if we have 2 or 3, we can draw those circles and also to overlap that kind of drawings. But we have not said what is a set. A set is a collection of elements. But those elements must have a common characteristic. Because you must know very clear if one element belongs to that set or doesn't belong to that set. So I repeat, a set is a collection of elements that have a common characteristic. So in a set, it is very clear if an element belongs to the set or not. So what are symbols we are going to use to study sets? First of all, is an element of or is not an element of. Also, we have subset and proper subset. What's that? For instance, the number 1 and 2 are elements that are into the A set. So 1 and 2 are a proper subset of A. But 1, 2, 3 are elements of a subset of A. That means if you list not all the elements of a set, you're going to say proper subset. But if you list all the elements of a set, you're going to say it is a subset. Oh, small details, but we have to know that. Now we continue with symbols. That means empty set, that means universal set, and we have also a complement, or also A with a small c. That means complement of A. But what's that? Empty set is when you have nothing into a set. That's very clear. Universal set is all elements that you are studying. Complement of A are all elements that are not into A, but that are part of the universe. And that's it.